How to see unsent messages on Messenger. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can see unsent messages on Messenger app. Now it's quite simple and easy, and there are quite a few ways that you can do so. First thing is your notification. Now if you have received a message and if your notification is enabled, then if the person has unsent it, but before opening the chat, if you scroll down the notification bar, and you'll be able to read the messages from the notification bar, but if you open it up, then the message will be unsent, so you won't be able to read it. So what you want to do is, once you get the message, once you receive the messages, if you have the notification, you can scroll down the notification bar and your message might still be there that the other user has unsent. It might still show up on your notification bar. This is the first way. The other way is to extract your chat. Now once you have received a message and once someone has unsent it, then there is no particular way that you can view it. However, what you can do is open up a Messenger app and tap on the three horizontal line icon at the top left corner of the screen, and then head into settings icon here, and on settings scroll down below and head into account settings. And now under account settings, what you want to do is scroll down and head into download profile information. Here you'll be able to download a copy of your profile information. What you want to do is to select all this and then simply tap on messages and select only messages, since you want to see messages. Scroll down below and tap on create file, and you'll request a copy of your file to Facebook. Now once your information is ready, Facebook will send you notification, and under available copies here you'll be able to see the download option along with the file. Simply tap on download and you'll be able to download it. And once you download it, you can open it up on your folder, and then you'll be able to view the deleted messages. So this way you can see unsent messages on Messenger. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.